Hey guys, welcome to another episode of All American Cooking. Tonight we're going to do a little something different. Do kind of a review of something I picked up off Amazon. I've always wanted to try authentic pho. P-H-O. It's a Vietnamese dish. It's like the Vietnamese version of ramen, if you can think of it that way. But it's damn near impossible to find the ingredients to make it for myself, let alone someplace that I could actually try the authentic stuff. So I found on Amazon, it's called Pholicious. I know, crazy name, right? But they sold me 4-pack, 2 beef, 2 chicken, bowls of this microwavable pho. So we're gonna give it a try. We're gonna see how it is, give my review on it, and then eventually, hopefully, I'll be able to try more authentic pho and see how that goes. So let's check this stuff out. Okay, so when I opened up the package, there were 4 bowls like this. There were 2 beef and 2 chicken. And there you go, you see Pholicious hierarchy. This is chicken pho, and the other 2 were beef pho. So we're gonna open this up and we're gonna see how to put this together. Okay, so when I open up the package, this is what we got. We've got this beautiful little plastic bowl with this lid. So let's open her up, see what we got inside. We've got some chopsticks. We've got bags that are labeled A, B, C, and D. This is the chicken pho cube. This is the secret spice. What does that say? Mama Thu's spices. Nice. We've got this little pouch. We've got this bag of noodles, and then we've got a couple of garnishes. We've got some hoisin, some sriracha, and looks like some freeze-dried green onions. So, according to the directions, we start with bag A, clearly labeled, bag A. We dump the noodles into the bowl. Seems easy so far, right? Then the next step is to add the bag B, and it clearly specifies, do not open the spice pouch. And I'll tell you what, as I'm unbagging this, oh, it's kind of stuck in there, isn't it? Let's get that off of there real quick. Don't do this without scissors, kids. By the way, I got this on Amazon. I think it was $24.98 or $26.98 for all 4 bowls. This pouch contains, oh my God, it's got I can smell star anise. I can smell cloves. I can smell peppercorns. There's a lot of flavor going on in this little pouch. So we're gonna set that kit off in on the side in the bowl. And then it says to grab bag D. And inside bag D is the unwrapped pho cube. You're thinking the same thing that I'm thinking. It's the pho cube.
Thought this was a family channel.
Pho cube. So we drop that kit in there, right? And then bag number, or letter C. Let me shake that all down the bottom. This is the, and as it says on the instructions, the secret spice bag. And I'm gonna tell you right now, there's garlic, there's onion, maybe some cumin, and some other things going on. It smells like a nice spice blend. So we're gonna dump that right in. And then it says very simply to add 20 ounces of water. So I've measured out 20 ounces of water. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pour this into the bowl. And I noticed the first time that I made this little kid wants to float. So I kind of pour some of the water over this spice bag, get some water in there so that this bag will stay submerged in the water. so that we get more flavor out of it. Okay, it's still gonna try to float a bit, but that's okay. You see now, we got it nice and wet. So then they say the instructions say, take your lid, loosely, hold on loosely. Who does that song? Hold on loosely. Yeah, Manfred Mann, I think, I'm not sure. And give it 6 minutes in the microwave on high. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna throw this kid in for 6 minutes on high. And we'll see you when it's done. All right, so after 6 minutes in the microwave on high and then 2 minutes to let it sit and rest, this is what we've got. Now, I gotta tell you, it smells amazing in here. I mean, it really smells good. So the first thing that I'm supposed to do is take this pouch of spices out of here. So I'll grab the string on that, and I'll just steep it a couple more times. Get rid of as much of the excess water as I can into a paper towel. Oh,
that's hot.
Monkey, that's hot. All right, see you. Take care now. Bye-bye then. Okay, then the one packet of garnish that they have is these dried green onions, which I'm sure once I mix them around, they're gonna look and taste amazing. And then they give you a packet of hoisin sauce, which is Chinese or Oriental Asian barbecue sauce. So we're just gonna drizzle this on in here. And I'm gonna mix it all around, but you know, I want it to look kind of cool. It's kind of sweet, so that's good. And then, of course, a little packet of sriracha, which we know is one of my favorites, gives a nice little blend of heat. So we'll throw that in, and then they give us these microscopic, I mean, look at that. How am I supposed to use these? These barely fit in my huge hand. But I'm gonna use these to mix it around a little bit. Oh, the smell coming off of this is amazing. Do you smell that, cameraman?
Oh, I smell it.
I mean, those spices. I can smell the star anise, the cloves, the allspice, and whatever else is going on in that spice bag. That really,
Extremely aromatic.
yeah, extremely aromatic. And then, of course, you know, the little spice pouch, and then the pho cube. But I'm not even gonna try to eat with these little tiny things. And let me just show you in comparison, normal chopsticks to these little guys. All right, and look at my hand. There's no way I can use these. So off you go. Thanks for playing.
It's to-go chopsticks.
I mean, it's steaming hot, but I have to give this a try because it just smells so good. Look at the noodles. I mean, they're beautifully cooked. Oh, I'm gonna regret this because I know how hot this is, but I have to try it. Let me get a better. There we go. There's a good chopstick noodle grab. Oh, I mean, you can see how hot it is, but dude. Wow. Wow. That is unbelievable. Worth $25 for 4 bowls of this, considering that I can't find authentic pho anywhere near me, nor can I find most of the ingredients that it would take to make authentic pho. I'd have to say yeah. Now, I could obviously, with the chicken, I could season some chicken with some Asian spices, slow cooker, pressure cooker, grill, whatever, and shred it up and put it in here. And with the beef ones, I could do the same thing with maybe some short rib or bits of steak or brisket or whatever. Pressure cooker, Asian spices, something that'll add to this. And then, of course, another classic topping for this other than the green onions would be some fresh cilantro. But everything that I've read about authentic pho, this is, man, I can't wait to taste the real stuff. Because if it's better than this, that's gonna be amazing. All right, now that it's cooled off a little bit, I want to get a good bite of this because, like I said, the aromatics are amazing. But now I can actually eat some of the noodles and taste it. So, oh my God, wow, is that good? There are so many flavors going on. Star anise, allspice. Onion, garlic, chicken. I can't even list them all. It's so complex and so delicious. I can't wait to try the real thing because this is freaking outstanding. So Pholicious, you get my thumbs up. This is amazing pho in less than 10 minutes. I'll leave the link in the description down below so you can order your own. Try it out yourself and see what you think. Again, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. All American Cooking. Don't eat boring food.